Hello folks, and welcome to today's job. Today's job is a surface clean, a rinse and a re-sand. Let's have a look at the area we have to maintain today. We've got this lovely property here. It's a nice sized driveway. It's a relatively new property. To my knowledge, the driveway hasn't been cleaned since the property was built. But sadly, like with a lot of these new builds, the drainage is pretty poor. So some areas are worse than others, but overall it's in pretty good nick. It's not too bad. You can just see some of the growth here where the drainage is pretty poor there. There's some big trees overhead, so they sort of add to the problem with some algae growth and other nasties. So let's take a closer look at the before photos. And let's not delay. Let's get started. Right guys, that's another job well done. Let's remind ourselves of the before photos. There's during, another before, some more during, so then before, during, and then after. As you can see, it's loads better. Let's take a look at the video, find a little look around. The driveway is much improved. Look after your driveway, maintaining your driveway really does help with the curb appeal. We've got a lovely review from this customer also, so thank you for the feedback. As always guys, if you need us, our contact details are here. Be sure to click the links, and thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next job.